Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you step by step how to disable dark mode on the Discord app for PC after the latest update. If you've been using Discord for a while, you know that dark mode is the default for many users, but not everyone prefers it. Some people find light mode easier on the eyes during the day, or simply want a brighter interface. Whatever your preference, switching back to light mode is quick and simple, and I'll walk you through the exact process. First, open up the Discord application on your computer. Once you're signed in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. We'll see your profile picture there, along with a small gear icon right next to it. That gear icon is where all of your user settings are located, so go ahead and click on it. Now that you're inside the settings menu, scroll through the options on the left-hand side until you find the section labeled Appearance. This is where Discord keeps all of its theme and layout settings. Click on Appearance to open it. Once you're in the Appearance settings, look under the section labeled Theme. Here, you'll see the available options for how Discord looks on your PC. By default, many users will see the dark theme selected. To turn it off, simply choose the light theme option. The moment you click it, Discord will automatically switch over and the bright interface will be applied instantly. No need to restart the app. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled dark mode in the Discord app on your PC. From now on, your Discord will run in light mode until you decide to change it again. If you ever want to go back to dark mode or try other theme settings, just repeat these same steps. So, whether you're adjusting your screen for daytime use, or you just prefer the cleaner look of a bright interface, you now know exactly how to make it happen on Discord.